She's blood, flesh and bone, no toes or silicone. She's touch, smell. But somehow I can't believe that anything should happen. I know where I belong, and nothing's gonna happen, yeah. 'Cause she's so high above me. She's so lovely. She's so high, like Cleopatra, Joan of Arc, or Aphrodite.
A little windy.
Just a little bit.